Jordan. Macy. Kenna.
You're not recording. Oh, yes you are.
I don't even know what I look like. Go.
Because I know she hasn't gotten cleaned up for a couple days because she was at my mom's. This for tomorrow.
That's Kayla. That's Jordan. Jordan's gonna be doing a handstand.
There you go. Go.
So do the handstand.
No.
Jordan.
Chicken wing. Basket. Go.
Here's his hat.
Go. Yeah, here I go. You can't run. Otherwise you're gonna like kick me in the face. Just go. There you go.
He was gonna do a baby style.
Jordan, do it.
I think
I'm
your
not gonna
dad
stay in here. Jordan, do it.
Can't do it.
I'm gonna kick you.
had that.
What are you doing? Okay, go.
Look at that.
I have to say that.
He did a handstand.
Thank you very much.
It's a great billionaire thing. Goodbye, America.